When I first saw a levitating bed, it felt like a sci-fi project. It looked incredible, and the price matched 2,000, 3,000 euros, or even more. But the idea stuck with me. I saw an interesting version in a showroom at Printers that inspired me. Simple, modern, and why not, doable. I found a few for sale online, but they were either too expensive or hard to transport. So I thought, why not build it myself? I designed a levitating bed made of two separate parts to make it easier to assemble and transport. The dimensions? 2,000 by 1,800 millimeters. Spacious, stable, and fully customized. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how I built it, what materials I used, and how much everything cost. An affordable, practical version with a guaranteed wow effect. If you want to see how you can build a floating bed in your own garage on a low budget with pro-level results, watch the video until the end. It's worth it. These two pipes will be the center of the bed. Since the bed is pretty big, it's 2,000 millimeters long and 1,000 wide, I'm going to split it into two sections. That way, it'll be more stable and easier to build. These are the two fully welded parts of the bed. The base structure is ready. This is the end of the first part of the project. The continuation is in part 2, where we'll assemble everything, add the lighting, and show you the final result. Thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. The best part is yet to come.